Wow, that's amazing. Eh?
Wow. We are both entrepreneurs, so we both work a lot.
A lot.
The sleeping part is super important for us.
Very important. Running out of sleep, missing sleep, well, it can get pretty challenging.
I cannot be waking up because it's hard for me to go back to sleep. So we need something, a mattress that doesn't move too much. You know.
Our mattress is only 3 weeks old. That we just received it was worth 800 something, if I can recall.
I think I never had like a very good mattress like in my life. So I'm very interested to know how it feels like.
Whoa. Wow, that's amazing.
Oh my God, I don't even feel you. Just move.
Wow.
Oh my God, so comfy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you don't feel you're sinking. You're just like
it adapts to your position.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh my God! It's on top of the mattress.
I thought it was completely something different.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
and I
wow.
think you can wash it. I think you can remove it. I feel a zipper. So you upgrade your own mattress with this on top. It changes the whole feel of the mattress. We've been sleeping on the Dormeo topper for now a week.
Yeah.
Even if we went to bed late and woke up early, I really feel rested. We don't really feel that it's a topper.
No,
So
would purchase that product and would recommend it to anybody who'd like to get a good night of sleep.